If you want to place multiple 2D views and plans on a single sheet, you need the Plan Layout plugin. This plugin, if available in your version, can be found on the 2D and Layout ribbon. Arranging views in such a plan view should be done when the entire planning had been completed. Create a new plan view and set the scale and desired paper format. The best way is to place existing 2D views. Start the tool and select one of these views from the list. When you leave the dialog with OK, the view is added with a rectangular preview to your mouse cursor and inserted with a left mouse click. Add the other views to your plan view. The views are so-called plan parts and can be selected, resized and repositioned. Click on a plan part and you see a frame around it, an indication that the plan part is now active. A click on one of its corners starts the resizing tool. While you reposition a plan part, you can toggle around its corners by pressing Ctrl+W. Like with other tools in our software. In an active plan part, you can scroll with the same mouse and keyboard combinations like in a normal 2D view.